The door in the backyard. Leo loved his backyard. He knew every blade of grass, every wobbly stone, and every secret hiding spot, or so he thought. One sunny morning, as he was chasing a particularly fluffy bumblebee, something new caught his eye. Right by the old oak tree, where yesterday there was only grass, stood a small wooden door. It wasn't big or grand, just a simple door with a shiny brass knob. Leo's heart thumped with excitement and a tiny bit of nervousness. What could be behind it? He reached out a hand, took a deep breath, and turned the knob. It clicked softly. With a gentle push, the door swung open, revealing not a dark tunnel, but a burst of sparkling light. Peeking through, Leo saw his own backyard. But everything was just a little bit different. The flowers were brighter, the leaves on the trees shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow, and the air smelled like warm cookies and fresh rain. He stepped through. The grass felt softer under his bare feet, like walking on a cloud. A tiny, iridescent butterfly with wings like stained glass fluttered past his nose. Near his sandbox, which now sparkled with glitter, a family of tiny, fluffy squirrels were building a castle out of acorns. They chattered happily, inviting him to watch. The old oak tree, usually so quiet, now hummed with a gentle melody. When Leo leaned closer, he realized the leaves were singing a soft, sleepy lullaby. After exploring every magical corner, Leo knew it was time to go. He waved goodbye to the singing tree and the squirrel builders, promising to visit again soon. He stepped back through the door, which closed with a soft click behind him. His backyard looked just as it always did, but Leo knew a secret, and he couldn't wait for tomorrow's adventures.